Hey, welcome back to the Floodlight Show, and if you're like me, you just got a new iPhone 13, and after the sticker shock wears off, the fear starts to creep in about how you want to protect your new little baby. So I recommend getting a case along with your phone right when you purchase it, get it all together, pop that case on right away, and make sure that nothing happens to it. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at two cases that are offered by Apple. It's going to be the Clear Case and a Leather Case. Which one looks better, which one fits snugger? Hopefully this video will help you make your own decision about which one to buy yourself. So let's go over to the unboxing table. On the left we have the iPhone 13 leather case with MagSafe. I'm smooth as silk and tough as leather. And on the right side we have the iPhone 13 clear case with MagSafe. Invisibility is my superpower. Okay, so let's start with the leather. They come in a bunch of different colors this year. This one that I chose is called Golden Brown. Not the best name for toilet humor, but it's made of smooth leather, which will patina over time. It's mentioned by Apple that using the MagSafe charging devices will also patina that area depending on what you are using. So having it brush and rub against that same area is gonna supposedly show some signs of wear and tear on your leather case. But overall, the leather case is very nice. It's very smooth on the inside. It's got these very nice buttons that I like. A little bit of pop, a little bit of color, extra color when you need it. Now this size is for an iPhone 13 mini, but they're all going to be the same no matter what size you get of iPhone. So let's pop this in, see how it fits. Oh, when you pop it on. Oh yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Leather feels good. It's soft, smooth. Feels very safe in here. Now, let's bring out the clear case. The clear case is made with optically clear, polycarbonate, and flexible materials. It is definitely see-through. Very smooth. Extremely smooth. Too smooth? I don't know. We'll find out. It is also made with a scratch-resistant coating, which is very helpful. And Apple says it is optimized to not yellow over time. Now that is definitely something that I've seen on clear cases before, and it's kind of a gross effect. So let's pop in our other iPhone to this one and check out the fit. So, this one, it's very smooth. Like it will definitely slide right out of my pocket. The leather has more of a grip, but you will not be able to show off the shiny colors of the Pro if that's what you got. The leather, I kind of like that you can mix and match and make your own combinations of different colors. I tried to get a complementary color of blue, and that ended up being this golden brown. I was looking for an orange. It looks a little orange right now. Maybe when it patinas, it'll look a little better. So, hard decision. It does look really nice and clean with the clear case. I do like the feel of the leather, and it feels more solid, and it feels better. It feels better in the hand, actually. Gosh. Alright, well let's take it to the judges and see what they say, because I'm at a draw. Well folks, the judges have weighed in and the decision is a draw. Unfortunately, both of these products look great, they fit great, and they seem like they're going to protect your phone very well. It's really up to you. If you got an iPhone Pro model, you probably got it because it was shiny, and you want to show off that shine, so the clear case is definitely the one for you to go with. Or maybe you're a person who likes a lot of color in your life, so you can mix and match the colors to get your own personal combination. Links to these products are down below, and please hit the subscribe button as we would love to keep in touch with you. We're going to be coming out with a lot more iPhone videos, and we would love to do the legwork for you and show you some of the best stuff for your new iPhone out there. Alright everyone, thank you for watching, and see you next time.